Good afternoon. Welcome to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great recipe here behind me I'm about to share with you guys, and I'm looking forward to it. Let's get cooking. Hey guys, here is a choice brisket flat that I smoked yesterday. It was my fault. I overcooked it. It's a little bit on the drier side. So I said, hey, let's go ahead and cut this up and make a nice vegetable beef soup with it. Just keep in mind, we have a lot of good spices, black pepper and salt already on this brisket. So we don't have to oversalt the soup as much because of these flavors coming off the brisket. Here we're going to get it started. We have the rest of our ingredients. We got a bag of mixed vegetables, a couple bags of frozen string beans, a can of crushed tomatoes, fire roasted tomatoes, and a container of organic beef broth, and it's just an inexpensive beef roast that I got from my local grocery store that I already cut up in smaller bite-sized pieces. Here we are. Today we're using my large Hamilton Beach 7-quart programmable slow cooker. I really like this slow cooker. In goes the beef roast. I'm about to add about a quarter piece of bell pepper diced up and a little bit of dried minced garlic. And let's get this vegetable soup started. And I was out of fresh onions, so I added some dried minced onions. This is the dried onions. Since this beef is raw, I'm going to go ahead and add the beef stock and give it about a 2 to 3 hour head start just until it's tender. And that way it'll time in perfect with the cooked brisket and the vegetables. Here we are. It's been right at 2.5 hours. The beef is just about tender. I think we can go ahead and add the vegetables, the brisket that I cooked yesterday, and let's get this soup together. Let's get all these flavors incorporated and make this nice, warm winter beef soup. And here for some richness and some more flavor, I added a couple tablespoons of my smoked beef tallow. If you go to my Shirley Offset's barbecue videos, I have a video on how I made the brisket smoked beef tallow. Just some more fat and flavor added to the soup. Here we are. We're at the 4 hour mark. We're just going to stop and give this a quick stir. Make sure everything's heated through, all the vegetables are tender, and check out spices for salt and pepper for the flavoring. It is done. This brisket vegetable soup turned out very well. It's a great way to use up this brisket that I cooked yesterday that wasn't the best, and I think I would try this again. Guys, in the comments below, let me know what's your favorite way to reuse different types of barbecue, brisket, chicken, or pulled pork. Comment below, and I may try to use your recipe. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate all your support. And until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.